What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the bumper bar on the Mini R56. Right, so on this fender flare, wheel arch flare here, we have to pull it upwards here, but prior to doing that we have to unclip the attachments here, which is behind here. Right, so pretty much I'm going to be using some trim removal tools. So I've got a vast array here, so what I'll do is I'll see which ones I need to use and then we'll start. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start with the inner wheel arch here. These just pull out like so. Just pull this out. And then we've got another one in here. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull off the trim here, the wheel arch flare. I'll start with some clips in the back here, spaced out like so. I'll just push the trim tool in and then just pull them out ever so slightly, and then I'll be able to lift it up and pull it out. So I'm using this trim tool here. Just have to go nice and slowly so that we don't damage anything on the bodywork. Right, so we've got a T25 Torx bolt, one at this end, one at the other end, and then we've got these push fit clips all along the bottom of the bumper here. These just pull out using the trim removal tool, like so. And then that's that one out. We just do that all the way along the bumper at the bottom. The Torx bolt. Do that all the way along, and then the next stage will be removing the cables, the connections for the fog lights and the daytime driving lights. Now just be careful here, we just pull this out ever so slightly because, as I said, the driving lights and the fog light cables are in behind here, so we need to disconnect them prior to removing the bumper, otherwise we'll damage the cables. And they just unclip off. And then we just push and pull, and then that's it out. Right, now we just pull the bumper out towards us, nice and slowly. It's as easy as that. And fitting the bumper bar is pretty much the reversal of what we've just done. So let's fit it, let's get it back in. And then just to show you, this is the cables for your fog lights and your driving lights. Let's say it's just a case of you push down on the clip there and then it pulls out. Okay, this one you just squeeze here and then it pulls out. And for your ambient air temperature, same, you just push down on there, pull out. Easy peasy. So what I'm going to do now is just line up the bumper, push everything into place, line everything up, and then after that's done I'll attach the two T25 Torx screws at the top of the bumper and then proceed to the T20 Torx screws at the side, each side of the bumper. Just because it's just plastic. That's it, everything's secure. So what I need to do now is just do the clips inside the inner wheel arches, and then that's the bumper on. Now with regards to the wheel arch flare, the fender flare, when we put it on, as previously discussed, as you can see there's two slots, one here and one here. And then if you look at the valance at the bottom here, you can see it just pushes in and then clips. So what we do when we put the wheel arch on, we push in this way from the front to the back, and then that way it'll clip into these two holes here, into these two slots. And there's also one here on the bottom of the moulding here, on the bottom of the bumper. So what we need to do is we just push it through here once it's connected, and through here, the push fit connectors. What you do is you line this up first, push that down, push it down, and then push this in here. Once you've got that connected, we then line up all the clips where the holes are, and then we push fit, and then that's it in. Okay? Right. As I said before, we've only got one clip, one push fit clip that has to go there, and one here that joins these two pieces together, and then that way everything's all tightened up. That's one in, this one in here. Now just put the That's the bumper on. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.